Upon you and the mercy and blessings of Allah. How are you? How is everyone doing? Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a truly fascinating and somewhat humorous story about how a particular pizza was actually named after a prominent prime minister. Yes, believe it or not, this is a completely true and verifiable story. So without further ado, let's delve into the details and begin this intriguing narrative. This remarkable event, which has since become a notable anecdote, originally transpired in the year 2005, a significant period when the then Italian Prime Minister undertook an official visit to the beautiful country of Finland. While he was present in Finland, engaging in various diplomatic activities and public appearances, he unfortunately made some rather ill-advised jokes and, to the surprise and dismay of many, even went so far as to insult the Finnish people. Specifically, he made a rather disparaging remark suggesting that Finnish people commonly consume reindeer and bear meat as part of their regular diet. The Finnish people understandably did not find this comment amusing in the slightest. In fact, they were deeply unhappy and took great offense to his remarks, feeling disrespected and misunderstood. Following this incident, the Italian ambassador to Finland, along with a high-ranking Finnish official who was either the foreign minister or a federal minister. The exact title is a bit hazy, but the role was significant, took it upon themselves to inform the Italian ambassador about the widespread negative sentiment and the general displeasure among the Finnish populace regarding the Prime Minister's comments. It was in the aftermath of this diplomatic faux pas that a very large and well-known pizza chain operating within Finland decided to take a rather bold and creative step. They created and introduced a brand new pizza flavor to their menu. Let me elaborate on what exactly was included in this unique culinary creation. It notably featured reindeer meat as one of its primary ingredients, among several other carefully selected components. And what you might wonder, did they decide to name this innovative and somewhat provocative pizza? They named it the Berlusconi Pizza, a direct and unmistakable reference to the Italian Prime Minister Silvio Berlusconi, and this naming occurred specifically in 2005, the same year as the controversial visit. Later on, when the company expanded its operations and entered the competitive market of an American city, the Berlusconi Pizza, surprisingly and perhaps ironically, actually went on to win a prestigious award, gaining recognition for its unique flavor and concept. When the Italian officials, presumably those in government or diplomatic circles, became aware of this development and the continued existence and success of the pizza named after their prime minister, they promptly contacted the CEO of the pizza company. They explicitly instructed the CEO to discontinue this particular pizza flavor, citing the reason that it was named after their esteemed prime minister and was, in their view, an inappropriate use of his name. But since Prime Minister Berlusconi had insulted them, the CEO refused to stop making the pizza, and so things just continued as they were. Anyway, I hope you like my story, and some of you might even find it funny that a pizza was named after the Prime Minister in 2005. That was also quite nice. And by the way, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, then please do it right now. Otherwise, you will certainly see what happens next. I'm telling you, right now, please subscribe. Just go ahead and subscribe to this amazing channel. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, then please do subscribe, like this video, and like it again, and also share it with all your friends and family. Go ahead and do it right away. It would be greatly appreciated. May God's grace and blessings be upon you, granting you peace and prosperity in all your endeavors.